So far, whenever we want to display some data, we just hit the API to get some JSON back. Let's start some work to actually start caching that locally. What we'll do today is we'll add a core data model. And I think for now, we'll just follow the format. We'll just pretty much just copy what we're given from the API. I'll just keep the name as model for now. Make sure it's added to your target. And you'll see it's empty. Let's add an entity right here. And I think for the moment, I'm just going to name it NASA. We can rename it pretty easily later. And what I'll do, this will be a little boring, but we'll just add up all of our attributes from our existing model. There's some things about this that I'm not wild about, but we may, at some point I may go ahead and design our own model that we'll use, in part because I'm not sure that long-term that we'll even use the API or most of it. Oh, it'd help if I spelled that correctly. Okay, I've defined or added a lot of attributes. You'll actually get a build error, see right there, until you define them. I'm going to make all of the URLs a URI. And I'm going to make the date type date. And then everything else will be a string. We're not really using that service version, but we'll leave it in for now. We can take it out later if we need to. Right now, everything by default is set to optional. It's not the same as Swift optional. We'll leave those for now. If we feel we need to change any, once again, we can always do it later. If we look here, one last thing I want to do is let's get rid, well, I'll just show you what we can do right now. Right now, it'll generate a class definition. We could set it to manual none or this category extension. In a future video, maybe the next one, we'll go and we're going to make our own custom model that conforms to Codable. So we can just grab that data, put it in core in a local core data store.